ladies, and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to get into my top 5 fragrances for January. I mean, it's December too. So if you're interested in seeing what my top 5 were, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left. But that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. Honey, I have my top 5 fragrances for January, December, because honey, I didn't do a tray. I don't know if you all noticed, but I did not get to do my fragrance tray for January, for the new year. So I really rolled over all my fragrances from December until January. So that is what has been rocking and rolling on my tray for the month of January. So we're going to get right into it with my top 5. I have to start off with Honey, the Sharita M. Here on YouTube, her fragrance, Mahni Cassanade. Honey, I have been rocking this in the bedroom. I mean, she has been by herself, but my business. This has been my bedroom scent. This has been my everyday grab and go type of scent. Now, I have not worn this every day, but it's been very much an easy reach type of fragrance for me. I love this vanilla gourmand scent. It is amazing. And honey, don't let it sit. I think that's where the magic hits. You let this thing sit.
Just sit down somewhere, go ahead.
You ain't ready. You are not ready. Honey, that vanilla, that gourmand, that, oh my goodness, the notes that, oh, they be noting. They be noting. I said it. Honey, it is so good and comforting. Definitely a Netflix and chill moment. Highly would recommend. Honey, okay? And we all know, those that are not new to the fragrance community, we know Sharita M. Honey, she lost her father, and our prayers are still with you, sis. So sorry. I know that loss very well, but our prayers are with you, honey. But, honey, your scent definitely has been a comfort to me. So note for Mahni Cassanade, we have Honey, none other than, okay, vanilla, okay? We have ice cream. We also have cashmere in this. We have some bergamot. You have some amberwood. You have some musk. You have some vanilla caviar. You have some toffee. Honey, when I say, I kid you not, brown sugar, I think that brown sugar is the thing that just takes it overboard. This is amazing. I would highly recommend this to anyone that loves a great gourmand vanilla. This is your best friend, okay? The projection, it lasts all night. It comforts you. It just cozies you. It just hugs you. When you need a hug, this gonna give you that hug. Moving on. Next up, I cannot stop talking about this fragrance from Dua, and it is Amberlicious. I can't stop talking about it because I've been wearing it down. When I say, this has been more complimented by women, not the menfolk. However, ... I didn't care. Because I was complimenting myself. So this is your amber, cinnamon, spicy, caramel type of fragrance. This is amazing, okay? I don't know what else to say about this, but uber good. And when I say, I've never really kind of been attracted to a lot of spicy, right? Real heavy spice type of scent that also has a mix of cinnamon and things in it. Like, you know, it kind of gives me potpourri-ish. You know, I have to like team back up. But this one, I don't know if it's that amber or that caramel. I don't know what it is. But I might have to roll this into February, honey. This was so good. I mean, wow. And I've had this in my collection for a while. And I just decided, let me pull this back out. And that's what the tray does, right? It just allows you to experience things that you have not experienced in a long time. And this from Dua, y'all better pick this up. I don't know what else to say. You gonna love this, okay? Next up, honey, this, it is what it is. I mean, I feel like when this is always on my tray, it's always in my top 5. And this is Cavort. Okay, we know the girlies, AI the Great, got us hooked on this. Well, got me. I don't know if you heard it from somebody else. That's fine too. But, honey, when I tell you, it is so good. It is so good, okay? Cavort is just that luxury, luxe, rich type of woman. It's just like a dom would be. It just is amazing, okay? Oh, she is a queen.
She's your queen to be.
She is a queen and she is always ready. And so this is also from fragrancedubois. I did not say that. Honey, this is one to get. If you are just dipping your toes into niche fragrance and you're like, sis, I don't know. And you're really wanting something that makes you feel rich and luxe and luxury and all the things above. Honey, I would trickle on down to Cavort, okay? You just smell rich, okay? All that to say, you smell like $1 million. It's amazing, okay? This will really always be in my top 5. It is a recommendation that I am always thankful for AI the Great to give. Longevity, who you talking to? This lasts all day, every day in your clothes. And if you put it on your clothes, honey, you might have to wash your things twice. And you don't need a lot. So don't think, because it's right there and then, sis, you ain't been wearing that. The lies you tell. The lies you tell. Talk to somebody else. Don't talk to me. Talk to somebody else. But I have been wearing it, but you don't need a lot. Like overspraying, you can, but I don't. For what? Like this is impactful and very much power type of scent. You can just be light, okay? Be light and right, and it's still good. Amazing fragrance. Highly recommend you get your nose and hands on this, okay? Moving on. Next up, we have, honey, I had to put her on here, Vintage Radio. Some of you all have said, or one person said, that this reminds you of maybe a Christmas or Christmas tree or something like that. It doesn't give me that. However, if you've smelled Paragon from Initio, it definitely gives you that. And I've always wanted that fragrance. I actually still might get it, even though this reminds me, but maybe not too fast. But I love just Initio. I love the brand. You all know that. But this is so good. And when I tell you this is unique, but refreshing and fresh, and this is so pretty. Like, I don't even know how to explain this. I love, okay, this is Lattafa, and I love this fragrance from Lattafa. I love the packaging. I love that it's kind of like a 3D and it pushes out, or is it a 2D? Whatever, girl. I was hoping that the vintage radio would actually be the bottle, but it is what it is. Anyway, the scent, if you haven't gotten this, honey, this is a coin saver too. This is so good. If you love Paragon, you would absolutely love this. Now, again, this is not going to be for everyone. I'm going to say that. It's not. It is a unique type of scent, but when I tell you it gives, and the giving is good to me, in my humble opinion, it is amazing. I would highly recommend you get your nose, your hands, everything on this, your coins, add to cart ASAP. Like, this is so good, okay? I can't explain this fragrance. I love it, okay? Moving on. Family, let's go left. Let's chit chat. I got some time. Okay, I've been doing good on this video. I got some time. Let's talk. Okay.
Everything stops for tea.
First of all, thank you all those that knew that my child was sick. Honey, thank you for all your prayers. Honey, yes, the girl has the flu. A hot mess. And she's like, Mommy, you don't want to be around me and kiss me. What? Why do you think I want... I'm not trying to get sick. I gotta make my taking her medicine. Truth be told, who are you talking to? I've been taking her medicine. The doctors prescribed her some medicine so that she can get rid of that and been taking it. Who? It came from my insurance. I sure did pay for it in some type of way. Yeah, I've been taking her medicine because I don't want none of that. But she's doing much better. But honey, when I tell you, I want to tell you all know how I am about movies and watching shows. This one I'm about to tell you, it's odd. It is weird. My word for the season, weird. I use that at work a lot because people do weird stuff. It is what it is. I ain't taking it back. But if you all have seen Saltburn, and if you've seen it, you looking at me like, sis, that thing is good, slow, and weird. All at the same time. Don't watch it around your kids. Warning. Don't watch it around your kid. It is not appropriate to watch around your kid. You know, not even if they step in the room, it's not appropriate for none of that, okay? And those that, you know, I don't know. Saltburn is on Prime Video. So Amazon Prime, if you have that, hook yourself up, watch Saltburn. I'm not going to go into it, but just know it's a little slow, so you got to, you know, have time, right? Walk with it. It is weird, and your mouth going to be like, at the end, in mid, like, crazy, okay? If you watched it, let me know your thoughts down below. If you watch it after I've just said that, let me know your comments below. Be warned. Kid, not appropriate for them, okay? Moving on. And last but certainly not least, honey, the Batman. This is amazing, okay? So Batman, when I say, again, it will have a special place, but the scent is amazing, okay? We have your floral. We have your amber, woody, powdery type of scent. It has a little hint of greenness, not too heavy, but it is so amazing and sweet. Woo, baby. Okay, let's go over the notes. So top notes, we have candy apple, pear leaf, we have magnolia, cashmere, we have tonka bean, jasmine, vetiver, musk, amber, oat moss, and patchouli. Honey, when I say, woo, baby, that apple, that floral, that jasmine, that it is amazing. I absolutely love this. And maybe because the wind and the snow, what in the world is it doing? What is up with this cold? We was in the negative what? I don't even know what negative is. What does that mean? A negative what? -1, -2? I don't know what that is in Tennessee. Who said that? Honey, it's been tripping, okay? This winter has been wintering. The shutdown in Tennessee was real. No school for a whole week. Who told you to do that? Okay, no school for a whole week. Snow coming down, ice. Crazy. Oh, anyway, not the weather. Okay, anyway, just how the weather and the coldness of the weather has been with this scent. I don't know if that magnolia or that jasmine just like took it up a notch, and then the candy apple was just like, ugh. But this has been gorgeous, amazing, absolutely amazing in this winter season. Highly recommend. This is from the House of Sillage. If you all didn't know, this is the Batman. I'm sure that they will have a sale on this, but I would highly recommend if you're in a fruity, floral, ambery type of mood for this season. Oh, amazing. Definitely had to be in my top 5, okay? Moving on. Well, that's all. That's all, family, for my top 5 from my December/January tray. Let me know what you've been rocking and rolling with for this month, for January, maybe even December. Maybe you like me, okay? And we just had to recycle the tray. Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, Who said it? Yo, sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.